Uh, let's talk about open close principle using Golang today. So, open close principle is a fundamental principle in software engineering that promotes the design of a system in a way that allows them to open for extension but close it for the modification. In the Go context, OCP means structuring code to allow for adding new functionality without altering the existing code. That is the main thing. The key points of open close principle is open for extension, as we discussed. So it advocates the extending a system behavior without changing existing code. A new features or functionalities should be added by extending the system, not by modifying its core components. And second thing is closed for modification. Once a module or a class or function is developed and tested, it should be closed for modification. This principle ensures stability and minimizes the risk of introducing bugs in previously functioning code or previously verified or tested code. Implementation of our open close principle in Golang. So we need to see like interfaces and abstraction. Define interfaces that represent behavior or contracts expected by various parts of the system. Abstraction helps in decoupling the components and provides a way to extend functionality. Dependency injection. Use dependency injection to allow components to depend on abstraction or interface rather than concrete implementation. This way, the behavior of the system can be extended by injecting new implementation without modifying existing code. Composition over inheritance. So Go favors composition over inheritance. Instead of relying on inheritance hierarchies for extension, use a composition to build complex behaviors by combining smaller and reusable components. Use interfaces. So interfaces to define common behavior expected by different modules. Components should depend on interfaces, not on the concrete implementations, allowing flexibility in switching implementations. So this is about the open close principle concept and how we can achieve this in the Golang side. So let's see how we can implement this using Golang. Okay. So I will try to, oops, I will try to open a Visual Source Code. I think last time we already, okay. Okay. So what we will do here is I will try to write a new folder for OCP, open close principle. So, and I will write one main function, main.go. So basically what we will try to do here is we'll try to implement a notification service. Okay. We'll implement notification service, which actually help us to take care about the message communication with different things. For example, we'll try to implement the notification service and we'll extend it with email notification service, and further we'll extend it to the SMS service. So we'll see like uh, how we can make the open for extension and close it for modification using Golang. Okay, package main. Okay, and now what I will do is I will implement a structure with notification service. Yeah, what we will do is uh, we'll define a notification service. Notification service defines the contract for sending notifications. Okay, so this is just a structure type notification service of type interface. Okay, and send notification is a method, is a function. So it will take this message of type string and it will return if there is any error. Okay, Okay, this is the notification service. So now what we will do is we will implement a new service out of this for email notification. Okay, email notification service which implements the notification service for sending notifications via email. Okay, so what it is actually now what we will do is type uh, email notification service of type struct. Okay, so this one actually we will try to implement email notification service send notification of message string error. So what we will do here is we will try to send for now what I will do is we'll just try to print this particular message just to understand like how it works. Println email notification message. Okay, we'll try to return the nil. That's it. Okay, so now what we will do is we'll try to implement the SMS service. This is the new service without affecting the existing functionality. This email notification is actually extended and which we are not modifying anything there. But now we are extending that to the further for the SMS service. Okay, this implements the notification service for sending notifications via SMS. Okay, so this is the type SMS service struct actually. Oops. Struct of SMS thing. Now what we will do is func of yes SMS service send notification message string. Okay, here we also will try to print println SMS notification and we'll try to print that message whatever we received. Okay, at the end we will try to return the nil, but you can we can further extend this, but for the to understand the concept actually I am trying to cover here. Okay, okay, now so now what we will do is we'll try to uh, use the one more service, one more service. Basically there is a notification sender, right? This is the notification service, but what we will do here is we will try to notification sender. This sender utilizes the notification service for sending notifications. So here what we will try to do is we will try to abstract the things notification sender abstract, which will have notification service of type notification service, right? So what this guy will try to do is we are trying to function of notification service, sorry, notification sender, send notification of message string error. Here we are simply ns dot notification service dot send notification message. Okay, here we are just utilizing this and then we are trying to send the message here. So let us see that how we can use these things without modifying the things. Okay, now what we will do is we'll try to write a function main. So we'll try to create a like a existing code using email notification. How we can do that? We can do that email notification equal to address of email notification. Okay, that's it. Once we are done with this, we need to create a notification server, notification sender, which is actually notification, sorry, notification sender of notification sender. Here actually we will try to implement we will assign the email notification to this one. For example, if now I will try to notification sender dot send notification, can I do that? Hello, this is an email notification. So now what will happen here is let us run this code and see what happens. Cd OCP run main.go. What is happening here is, oh sorry, go run main.go. Yeah, if you see that this is the email notification we already received here. Okay, basically what I'm saying is if you see this email notification, this is the message whatever we sent here. So without now without modifying existing code, okay, what we can do is we can try to create SMS notification service equal to, we will just try to do the SMS service. Okay, now whatever the currently we have returned that equal to, we are just just without changing anything. Basically, what I'm saying is, I'll write comment here. Extending to use SMS service without modifying the existing. But this is what we spoke about. What is OCP principle, right? Right. So now, if you see notification sender dot send notification of hello, this is SMS notification. So this case actually, if you see, clear this, go run main.go, we can see that both the notifications are uh, we are able to call the both the notifications without changing the code basically. So this we can further uh, optimize this. Basically, we can send this particular piece to the new file. Let me write that one. This file I can say notification dot go package main. Okay, and then what is other things we have is we can write email notification in different file. I'm just trying to refactor this so that this is how actually we need to write our more, I mean, bigger projects. We'll see that in the end of this session, end of this course. We'll try to write the bigger code. Email notification dot go package main. Okay, and what is other one is SMS service. So what I will do is SMS notification dot go package main. Okay, and the last what we have is notification sender. Okay, this also we can separate it. Notification underscore sender dot go package dot main. Okay, all these things are in a main program, right? Main. So what we will do is I will try to make, sorry, go build. So now we got this exe, I think ocp.exe. We will try to run the ocp.exe. See, you can see these two notifications basically. That's it. And this is the way actually we can achieve the open close principle using Golang. So we already covered most of things and then refactored what exactly open close principle is and how we can achieve this in a Golang. Thank you.